Hey, welcome back to another video from La Hueva. Today we are going to test the water resistance of the M4, the smartwatch we have here, which has become super popular on our channel. So what we are going to do today, we are going to drop this smartwatch into the glass of water and see if it is still work after being fully submerged. This is for all of you who wants to test water resistance. We are also going to try salt water. Right now this is just regular tap water, then we will add some salt to see what happens. Let's get right into the video. Being honest, I'm pretty nervous about it, but as you can see, I'm dropping it in. So in 3, 2, 1, we will set the timer for a few seconds. To be honest, I don't think it will survive, but let's see. This watch is not waterproof, it's not IP67 or IP68. It doesn't have any kind of water protection. So alright, I'm going to stop it at 30 seconds just to see if it's still work afterward. Stopping the timer now, we had to remove the paper. What a mess. One thing I noticed right now is that the touch screen isn't working at first. Wait, hold on. Okay, so you can see it still has the same scratches. We didn't switch to other type of watch or anything. It works. It's actually works, people. Okay, but I am noticing it's kind of hard to swipe through panels. Still, it's working, and that's pretty amazing. Now let's try with some salt, which we have right here. And yeah, it's a lot of salt, by the way. Let's simulate what it would be like if you took your watch into the ocean. I also want to double check that the system still works fine. Okay, perfect. We are dropping it in again. As you can see, it's still working normally. I can swipe through everything fine. So in 3, 2, 1, I'm leaving it in there for 30 seconds. Okay, so what do you think is going to happen? I am submerging it completely. Will this smartwatch survive 30 seconds in salt water? What do you think? From what I can tell, maybe it will keep working, but I'm guessing the pins might corrode, right? Okay, 30 seconds are up. Let's take it out and clean it off. Saltwater people, what do you think? Will it work? 3, 2, 1, let's check. Hope it won't turn. Nope, it won't turn on. Let's give it the benefits of the doubt. Maybe it is still wet. Wait, nope, it's still not turning on. Okay, it's supposed to be fully dry now. Still no power. So yeah, that was salt water, and as we all know, salt water destroys electronics. Now let's try plugging it in. Okay, I'm charging it right. Okay, it's charging, it's working. I seriously thought I was about to get electrocuted or something. Ladies and gentlemen, it turns on, it charges, everything's fine in that sense, but the sensor is completely dead. So I can change it, but if I unplugged it and try to use the heart rate sensor or whatever, it just doesn't respond anymore. So yeah, we could say this watch did not survive the saltwater test. This just proves what we have always said here. Don't put your phones or devices or anything like that in salt water. It will ruin them completely. I'm still trying to get the sensor to react, but it's completely dead. So this watch failed the test. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, leave a comment and share it. It seriously helps us out reach more people. Let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this one. That's all for today's video. I hope you have an awesome day. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.